Struggling with Microsoft Store errors on Windows 11? Let's troubleshoot and fix them together. Ready to resolve those pesky issues? Let's dive in! First up, let's make sure your Windows Update settings are optimized. Here's what you need to do. Hit the Start button and type Services. Click on Services from the search results to open it. Now, scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double-click it to open its properties. You'll see a drop-down menu for Startup Type. Click it and change the setting from Manual to Automatic. Then, hit Apply and OK to save your changes. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Let's try troubleshooting. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Go to System, and then click on Troubleshoot. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Find the troubleshooter that fits your issue and click Run. Once it's done, click Close. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Again, right-click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. This time, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. Look for System Components. Click on the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Here, you'll find options to repair or reset the application. Try Repair first. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and reset it. Just click Reset, and then confirm by clicking Reset again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.